everybody! Today's Glossier products is sponsored by Cultivated PH. Enjoy! First, I'll be applying this GlossierBalm.com in the shade Berry. I swear, this is the sweetest lip balm I've tried in my whole existence. No joke. Second is the Celotech Moisturizer. Alam niyo ba guys, may nalaman na naman akong bagong skincare combo. And this is by using this moisturizer, and on top of it is my Thayer's toner. Yan yung bago kong skincare lately. Shh! Third is this Boy Brow Pomade in black. Look, ang daming hairs nung spoolie, so talagang mako-cover niya yung buong eyebrows mo. When I first tried it, it's super lightweight. Parang wala ka lang nilagay. I'm sure I'll be using this often. Now, let's open those eyes. Pero not literally, okay? Next, some mascara. And this is my ultimate favorite mascara from the brand Shawil. On to the next, let's put some blush. And gamitin natin tong famous Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Beam. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to kasi sobrang sheer niya lang sa cheeks and super pigmented niya. Next, I don't usually put highlighters but this Glossier Halo Scope, why not? Tingnan nyo guys, after ko siya ilagay, girl, I'm glowing. Ooh, look at that! And syempre naman, last, let's put some lipstick. And today, gamitin natin tong natatago kong Color Pop sticks in the shade Love Me. Love me, say that you love me. Charot. This shade is Love. Ooh. At dahil gustong-gusto ko yung gradient lips, I'll be putting on my favorite matte tint from the brand Francisnista in the shade Paris. This is my super go-to tint. Lip tint, I mean. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And bago matapos ang video na to, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Cultivated PH. I-link ko down below yung Instagram shop nila as well as yung Facebook page nila kasi sobrang dami nilang pinadalang Glossier products na sobra talagang ganda. So, I hope you guys check them out kasi maglalabas sila ngayon ng sarili nilang clothing brand as well as ang dami nilang giveaways. So, ayan. So, thank you so much, Cultivated PH. Bye!